saucepan. I'm going to teach you a saucepan. Okay. So, I'm the man, you're the girl. Come over there. Aww. And you can walk. You ready? This foot, when I look at this foot, it goes forward. Okay? Forward. And this foot goes backwards, but first it's on this foot. Okay, ready? So, forward, together.
Well, I have
And now, we're going to do a break. This foot, move it back. Okay? Ah! Wait, switch feet. And now for a spin. I've never attempted this before. So I hold you like this, and then you lift up and spin on the ball of your foot. And then I go, woo! And now, okay, ready? This foot moves forward. So move that foot back.